How long has it been since you stopped believing you could go after your hopes and your dreams? Hi, my fellow artists, it's Anna. Just wanted to talk today for anyone who's wanting to listen about procrastinating your artwork. Are you just so fed up with putting it off and you are ready to start making your dreams come true? There are many various reasons why we as artists procrastinate our work. Sometimes it's fear, and I have a couple videos on that. Do you compare yourself to other artists? Are you afraid that it won't turn out? Check out those videos up here in this corner. Sometimes it's laziness. You just need to build up the self-discipline to keep showing up and doing your work, to keep showing up and giving it your best. Maybe it's just that you're thinking too much. You need to stop thinking and start doing. Check out my video on that as well. That, I feel like, was key to helping shift my mindset and do more as an artist. So how do you stop procrastinating your art and start doing it now? God gave you the desires and the talents, the skills, the abilities, the want to create. And the world is desperately in need of artists. It needs beauty. It needs beauty to remind people that there's more than just this life, to bring joy in the midst of life's many sufferings. The world desperately needs beauty to give people hope and truth, to help people think. The world needs who you are. The world needs your art. Do you want to create? Maybe God has given you that desire because He wants to give you the fullness of life. And He can do beautiful things through you, your life, and your artwork. You don't know how you or your artwork is going to impact others, but you know that you have this desire to create. And this life on earth is short. Don't miss the opportunity. So what are your hopes and dreams as an artist? One of my dreams is to make a living as an artist. And right now I'm trying to go about that, selling my work and growing a YouTube channel. Another one of my dreams is to just make the world a little more beautiful through creating art and sharing it, and also inspiring and encouraging other artists to do the same. What are your artistic goals and dreams? If you're willing to share, scroll down to the comment section and let us know. And also share with us, how are you going to go about trying to achieve those? I would be so honored to hear. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I really enjoyed being able to share on this topic, and I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to connect with you soon. Take care, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.